Yes,
Yeah?
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now we'll just move with this first unit. That is about the Aryan civilization, where we are going to just read about how this civilization came up after this Indus Valley civilization. And again, it's about the origin and also how what all the various architectural features it came up during those period, and this how this Vedic village came up, and all those little details about that, and origin of Hinduism and Buddhism. So that's how we are that those things we are going to study in this first unit. And basically, actually, this Aryan civilization, it's actually it developed, it just came up after this Indus Valley civilization was already undergoing decline. So the Indus Valley civilization was about to decline. So that time this civilization came up, and they mostly concentrated in the rivers Ganga and Yamuna. They've just moved little further from the northern Indian subcontinent. They've just moved towards northern side of your India, and this civilization took place in the rivers Ganga and Yamuna, where it is actually well, you have a lot of it's a forest area. You have river Ganga and Yamuna. So hopefully everyone knows that it is a very flourishing soil. So those civilization took place because of this characters. And now these Aryans actually they traveled, as it did. They traveled towards the north side of that. And the most interested one is they just eventually settled near the Ganges as soon as this Valley about to close down. So this is how it came up. And why it is formed is these Aryans, they lived in harmony with the Indus Valley, and they settled along with the Indus Valley people, and they are mostly took most of the villages and most of the lands during this civilization. So they are very much keen in taking up the lands, and they have settled there, because since they know that the Indus Valley civilization is about to decline, so they want to take up those lands, and they have started combining with the existing village. So that's how this settlement took place. So you can just see this map. So this is how the Indo-Arya, that is the Aryans from the Indus Valley, how it is just came inside the India to various parts of the region. Okay, and these people actually they settled near Gangas, where as I said, they had abundant water, and they traveled further to settle down. So this is how this took place in this. And the main thing during this Aryan civilization is the major Hinduism initially started. Okay, they developed they worship the god Devas, where it is called the gods of nature, and also they worship Lord Indra. So all these Hindu gods, they just slowly it came up the early Hinduism. So there is some time period where this Hinduism came up as during this Aryan civilization. They only first introduced this Sanskrit. The Sanskrit came up, and this is the first language of expression we used. And now also this Vedas, they are just using this Sanskrit, even in mantras, everything the Sanskrit, it is still we are in usage, right? So the first composition like Rig Veda, Yajur all those things were came up during this Aryan civilization. And also great epics like Ramayana, Mahabharatam, and Bhagavad Gita, everything just came. And the main thing is they didn't follow any idols or temples. Only thing is they just had this kind of rituals where the priest will be there. They chant mantras in Sanskrit, and there is the most of sacrifice was there. Most ritual sacrifice was there. So they need a open raised altars. They didn't build any temple structures like that. So it is like something which is open altars for this kind of rituals and sacrifice of some animals and all that. So those things it was developed during this civilization. Okay, and this they their methodology of constructing buildings is they mostly don't actually in Indus Valley. You would have seen they would have used bricks and mud, and they have built the structures very neatly planned, well planned, right? But Aryan civilization, they are most of not they have not shown not much interest in building structures in brick. So they prefer to have it in bamboo. Bamboo construction was very frequently you can see in the civilization. Where why? What is the reason is they used which is readily available. So that is the one main thing, and it is abundant, and it is also very easy to replace and maintain. So for that, what they did is they just took timber, bamboo, and thatch roof for construction. Mostly, you can see their plans like see this all the what I say. It's all the theory part. I'm just yeah. So so this kind of bamboo structures they like to build. They refuse to build brick. That's what I said. And you can see the structures. It mostly it will be in circular in plan. The bamboo circular huts. So a lot of different styles of huts they used. One is the rectangular and one is the circular one, where they have bamboo roofs and thatch to cover the roof, and they had bamboo walls. So all those things was very common in this Vedic village. So the Aryans, they have this kind of architectural features to build their houses. And also you can see there will be actually, you can see this the next slide. Okay, so this is nothing but see this kind of gateway, some kind of this you would have seen in many places where in China or in some eastern places where this kind of entry emphasis will be there, where you'll have this timber fencing. Timber fencing, this is actually it's derived from the style of Buddhism, where have you can see this kind of in China, in many hotels also you would have seen this kind of timber fencing. Okay, this all developed during that time. This style. Okay, so they had this timber fencing to protect the village from forest, and also they had, you can see this timber fencing where you have two postings on both sides and three horizontal postings. So this will act as a fencing. This is not fencing. This will act as an entry emphasis. That is like a gateway, which acts like a gateway. Okay, and these all the temporary structures, as you know, the bamboos. So you can actually replace it. It is easy to construct and very quick construction process. So all those things was there. And so these are the architecture found in Hindu and Buddhist temple. The same concept they have started using constructing this Hindu and Buddhist temples. Okay, so this is about the Vedic village Aryan civilization, how it came, and the village, how it is formed, and what is the construction process they have did. So they have just used most of timber and bamboos and thatch roofs for the what to say, for the house. So this is about your first unit. 1 second, students. I'll just. And also I forgot, like their main economy is the agriculture, and they just get the lands from the wealthy landlords. They use that land for various other works, because the Aryans, they are mainly focused on land, grasping land from the landowners, and they have mostly used that for the other various other official works. And also they have used the rivers for navigation, since why it is like roads, you know, it is a very laborious process to making roads during that time. So they use the rivers for navigation. And also during this time, this Brahmin priest. So this religious priest came up. They introduced this priest concept to chant mantras. All those things was evolved during this Aryan civilization. So this is about the a general brief about the administration and economy. Okay, and few more towns were emerged during this time. One is the four rival states. One is the Kashi, Kosla, Magda, and Verges. These are the four states developed during the Aryan civilization, and few more towns came up. Okay, and at this stage, this totally these cities of Indus Valley civilization they developed whatever it was there during that time. It's all developed, and a few more new states and new cities were came up. And the slowly what they did is, one second. And this is the emerging of towns. Slowly what happened is, slowly this towns concept came up, where you'll have a grid iron pattern, a neatly organized pattern where the houses are constructed. You have proper streets running both side, north side, and north south and east west directions. And the layouts were based was divided on caste system. So slowly this caste came up during this time. Before that there was no caste and nothing was there, no division between them, but slowly the land and the layout was divided based on caste, maybe based on FCBC, OC, something like that. So they would have separated the land, like those people can stay together. So in that way these lands might be they would have allotted. And you have, as we came from the from the previous units, as you know, the city was covered with a high forts or ramparts of over 30 feet height wall towers. So those towers will be built to safeguard the city. Okay, and they have constructed with huge. Slowly what they did is, they this kind of slowly the cities developed and towns developed. They used baked mud bricks for the construction. So this is the few futures of Aryan civilization and the Vedic village. How slowly bamboo they've used, and slowly how this city developed, and how many towns they have developed. So all those things was there in this. And these are the, as I said, these are the rival cities developed during that time, and the states that developed. And this is about the first unit about the Aryan civilization and Indus Valley Aryan civilization and the Vedic Vedic culture. Okay, now we'll just move on to the second unit. Please stay for a minute. I'll just share the screen.